Good morning, children. Welcome back to biology class. Continuation of the lesson, fundamental unit of life. What have we learnt in this lesson up to now? In our previous class, we have learned cell theory, that is, and also cell history. Types of microscopes that were used by Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke, and present-day microscopes. And how to make an onion peel we have learned, and different sizes and shapes of the cells. Why cells are in different shapes? Why all cells are not of the same shape? The reason is that, what is the reason? The reason is that all cells are not of the same shape. The reason is because the shape of a cell depends upon the function that it has to perform. The shape of a cell mostly depends upon the function that it has to perform. What is cell theory? Cell theory has three main postulates. First postulate is all organisms, whether it is plant or animals or microorganisms, they are all made up of cells. This postulate for cell theory is given by Sheldon, and Schwann gave another postulate that in the year 1839, he has given one more postulate that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. And the third postulate for cell theory is given by Virchow, that is, new cells arise from the pre-existing cells by cell division. Okay, so this is the main thing that we have learned in our last class. Now, today's class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn in today's class, at the end of the class you should be able to learn what is the difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms. What is meant by unicellular organisms? What is a multicellular organism? What is the difference between these two? And we'll see some of the examples of unicellular organisms also. And prokaryotic organisms. What is meant by prokaryotic? Pro means primitive, karyo means nucleus. So prokaryotic organisms. So we already know all the plants, animals that we find around us, they're all eukaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic is a primitive type of nucleus where the nuclear region is not bound by a membrane. So the nuclear material, that is a genetic material, is directly present in the cytoplasm. So that we are going to learn, and differences between how a prokaryotic cell is different from the eukaryotic cell, that we will learn, and also nucleus. Nucleus, its structure and its function. What are the functions of the nucleus? What is the structure of nucleus? Okay, right.